sweeties, welcome back. Today we're doing baylenehair. It comes with a hair care pamphlet, a nice pretty scarf, lashes, 2 wig caps, and the hair itself. This is a 13 by 4 22-inch water wave wig, and she is luscious. So on the inside you get 3 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, a little lace to lay it down if you choose to, and the adjustable straps. So this is just me after I've tweezed one side. You see there's kind of a gradient effect, and to get that I start off plucking backwards into the hairline. And then I part it, and I do it again behind the part because it all works out in the end. It just makes it look really nice and natural. After I'm satisfied with the way that's looking, I then go back to the part that I've parted off and I tweeze it some more as well. Okay, so on to the lay down. I'm using the E-Band Wonder Lace Bond. This is the extra mega hold one. So I just put this on very thin. It never turns completely clear. I just want to let you know that it is going to be like a purpley blue color, but do not let that alarm you. I put on a very little, as you can see, and it is still holding on. Yeah, I was surprised by that. I was like, maybe if I just put on a little, it won't stay on that long, but it is holding on, y'all. Believe that. So I've really been enjoying the E-Band products, the spray and the glue. So I don't know, I might have to kiss my little yellow can goodbye, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm just blow drying it a bit to let it get more tacky and a little bit more clear. You see how it's still just a little bit purpley blue, not much, but it started to grab that wig immediately, and I was loving it. Okay, loves, so Voiceover Sugar is signing off, but I just want to let you know to stay to the end so I can show you what a side part, a middle part, and a high bun looks like. Catch you later. Bye. Okay, ladies, so this is how it's looking so far. The side part, that's what it's giving. It's giving that much on the sides. The bulk of it is obviously in the middle, but that's what it's doing on the side. So you can wear it in this little cute style. I'm gonna show you what a middle part looks like. Okay, so that's what the middle part is looking like. This wig is very scalpalicious. So it's actually raining outside. I'm going to just take it up into like a high bun. I kind of want it to be messy a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. Just a quick little messy bun, not super duper slick, kind of messy, but that's how it's looking. Very natural, very scalpy. I really love this wig, you guys. I would like to thank Baylenehair for sponsoring this video. I would like to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you always get my affordable hair content. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this wig. If you're feeling it, please go check it out. I think it's very well rounded. You can wear it in its fluffy state. You can wet it down if you want. It looks amazing in a low pony or a high pony or bun. It looks really nice. It's very natural. So I definitely think you should check this out. And until next time, stay sweet.